Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the latest release from the Fedora project, Fedora Linux 41. This new release brings some huge upgrades, so let's check out what's new and exciting in the world of Fedora Linux. From kernel updates to desktop environment enhancements, this release has a lot to offer. Whether you're into gaming, development, or just looking for a smooth Linux experience, Fedora 41 has got something for you. So, first things first, Fedora Linux 41 is powered by the new Linux Kernel 6.11. What does this mean? Well, you're getting the latest stability, performance improvements, and a better support foundation for both new and existing hardware. For those on Fedora Workstation, you'll now get the latest GNOME 47, and it's a big change because Fedora has decided to go Wayland only. No more X11 session option. This means a smoother, more modern experience with Wayland. And if you're using NVIDIA graphics, there's great news. You can now install NVIDIA drivers with Secure Boot, enabled directly through GNOME software. This is a big deal if you're looking to use Fedora for gaming or CUDA-related tasks. You can get up and running easily without driver compatibility headaches. Fedora 41 isn't just about GNOME, though. Fedora has an impressive range of spins, each focused on a different desktop environment to suit everyone's tastes and needs. But that's not all. Fedora 41 introduces two new spins. The first one is Fedora MiracleWM, a tiling window manager that's optimized for Wayland and is based on the Mir compositor. This makes it perfect for all types of systems, including low-end ARM and x86 devices. The second new spin is KDE Plasma Mobile, designed for phones, tablets, and 2-in-1 laptops. If you're into mobile devices or portable Linux setups, you'll want to give this a look. All right, let's talk about speed and efficiency. Fedora Linux 41 marks the debut of DNF5, the latest version of Fedora's package manager. DNF5 brings faster performance, a smaller install size, and no longer relies on Python. It also provides a streamlined experience across Fedora editions, making it easier to manage packages without extra software tools. For those working with container images or RPM OSTree, DNF5 has unified behavior that makes things even more efficient. Fedora also made some changes to enhance power management. The tuned power profile. Daemon is now the default for Fedora Workstation, KDE Plasma, and Budgie editions. This means better power handling across a wider range of devices. Fedora Linux 41 has put a strong focus on security and system hardening. System services now have added security features by default, giving you peace of mind on system security. For AMD users, there's support for ROCm 6.2, which should provide better handling for AI and GPU workloads. Fedora IoT users will also see BootUp enabled, with ComposeFs now in place for faster and more efficient deployments. And on the tool front, Fedora 41 introduces a new command line utility called Fedora Repository. This is perfect for anyone looking to run repo queries on Fedora, EPEL, ELN, and CentOS Stream package repositories. Plus, the installer now supports self-encrypting drives, so you can keep your data secure with ease. For developers, Fedora 41 packs in a range of toolchain upgrades to make your life easier and boost productivity. The GNU toolchain has been updated to include GCC 14, GNU Bnoodles 2.42, and GDB 14. Other new additions include RPM 4.20, Python 3.13, and Go 180 1.23, LLVM 19, Perl 5.40, and Node.js 22. Whether you're coding, compiling, or testing, this release has the latest tools to keep you on top of your development game. If you're ready to try Fedora Linux 41, you can download it today from the official Fedora website. It's available for both 64-bit and AArch64 platforms. And if you're already on Fedora Linux 40, upgrading is easy. You can use the DNF system upgrade command or head to GNOME software on Fedora Workstation. All right, that's a wrap on Fedora Linux 41. With updates across desktop environments, enhanced security, performance improvements, and tons of new features, this release brings something for everyone. Let us know in the comments if you're planning to upgrade, and share what you're most excited to try out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.